Welcome back, my YouTube fam. This is C on a mission. I decided to upgrade my bike for my birthday this year. So this is me and Fast Motion. So just enjoy. I'll meet you at the end of the video. So enjoy. Bye. Welcome back, my YouTube fam. I finally got the, sorry because I'm in Florida, if you can see in the background, beautiful Florida in my home. But I wanted to show you the end picture of the video for the e-bike. So let me show you the fold up, and I'm sorry, the tissues, because I had to wipe myself down because it's 80 degrees today. So let me show you the bike. Now I thought the bike would fold up. Let me see, I'm sorry, I'm trying to get it lined up the correct way. Here we go, do it this way. So that is the bike. Now, I did think, and I'm trying to get it the right way. Here we go. That's how we should do it. Better. So that is it folded up. I thought it would be a little bit smaller than what it is, because it just fits snug in my mom's car, and I have showed you what my mom's car looked like. But that is folded up. I do like it. It's something that you got to get used to. I don't actually use it with the batteries right now because, like I have read and saw on YouTube, a lot of people are having accidents with these because the battery that motor kind of takes off on you. So I'm not ready to use it with the battery. So right now I'm using it as a standard bike. Just happens to be folded up because that was my little Christmas present or birthday present to myself this year. So, but that is it, folded up. And hopefully and it's back to me. So hopefully you got to enjoy watching me put it together and everything, because I'm really trying to get to a point where I'm not always asking, I'm sorry I had to pat myself dry, I'm always asking my brother to help me put things together. So I really want to be more self-efficient. So that was me putting it together. I hope you have a very, very happy holidays, because I'm filming this in December, my birthday week down in Florida. So I hope your Thanksgiving was lovely. I hope your Christmas you'll get everything you want, and New Year's bring something new, good habits, get away with get rid of the bad habits, bring in some more good habits, but just enjoy life. People, let's keep our freedom. And all I want is freedom of choice. So fam, this is it. This is it of the e-bike video. Enjoy, peace, love, and happiness. Peace.